Certainly. In this guide, I'll explain the top 6 exercises that, when performed consistently, can help transform your body in just 4 weeks. Remember that along with these exercises, a balanced diet and proper rest are essential for achieving the best results. Exercise 1. Squats. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Slowly bend your knees, lowering your body as if you're sitting back in an imaginary chair. Aim to lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as far as your flexibility allows. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Benefits. Squats work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. They help build lower body strength and muscle. Squats also engage your core for stability. Exercise 2. Push-ups. How to do it. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and wrists aligned under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest towards the ground by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. Benefits. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They improve upper body strength and endurance. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be adapted to various skill levels. Exercise 3. Planks. How to do it. Start in a push-up position with your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle, and forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as you can, aiming to increase your time with each session. Benefits. Planks strengthen your core, including the abdominal muscles and lower back. They improve posture and stability. Planks engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Exercise 4. Lunges. How to do it. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Take a step forward with one foot, bending both knees to lower your body. Your front knee should be at a 90-degree angle, and your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg. Benefits. Lunges work your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. They help build leg strength and improve balance. Lunges also engage your core for stability. Exercise 5. Bent over rows. How to do it. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing your body. Bend your knees slightly and hinge your hips to lean forward, keeping your back straight. With your arms fully extended, pull the dumbbells towards your hips by bending your elbows. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Benefits. Bent over rows target your upper back, including the rhomboids and lats. They improve posture and strengthen the muscles responsible for pulling movements. Bent over rows also engage your biceps and forearms. Exercise 6. Bicycle crunches. How to do it. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your head, shoulders, and upper back off the ground. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Benefits. Bicycle crunches engage your entire core, including the obliques and rectus abdominals. They improve core strength and help sculpt your abdominal muscles. Bicycle crunches also increase overall calorie burn due to the dynamic nature. Tips for success. Start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles for exercise. Perform these exercises as a circuit, doing each one for a set amount of time or repetitions, then moving to the next with minimal rest. Gradually increase the intensity, duration, or weight as you progress. Maintain a healthy diet with the right balance of macronutrients and stay hydrated. Get adequate sleep and allow your body time to recover between workouts. Remember that consistency is key to seeing results in just 4 weeks. Listen to your body, and if you're new to exercise or have any health concerns, consult a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting a new workout routine.